Good day! We're here in lovely Cape Coral, Florida, about to install 9.3 kilowatts of solar energy for this new solar homeowner. You're interested in going solar? By all means, comment below or reach out to us through our new website, CrewSWFLsolar.com. Now, I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine. Here we have the voltage meter for the house. This actually measures how much electricity the home is using. It's one of the old styles that still has the dials. It hasn't gone digital yet. But this is going to be replaced with a bidirectional meter. And that bidirectional meter is going to judge how much power is coming from the solar panels and how much energy is being used from the utility grid. The team here has already mounted the manual disconnect. This is the switch that's actually pulled in case they have to do any specific service for the system. Or in the event of a hurricane, it'll disconnect the solar so that way technicians working on the lines don't get shocked. This here is a combiner box. It gathers all the information for the performance of the panels. Inside of it, we have this mobile cellular unit. This allows the system to not have to connect to Wi-Fi, but still be able to transmit its data to the ENPHASE app, which lets the person know how their system is performing. Good day. Just want to give a little shout out to our installation partner, SEM Power. They're helping us install a home with 9.3 kilowatts of solar energy, so that way we can spread more sunshine down here in the Sunshine State. You're interested in going solar? Get in touch with us and we can help you work with SEM Power to put solar panels on your rooftop. Now I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine. The team has got the rails already installed on the roof, and on the rails it actually has the power optimizers. These allow the panels to take into account any shading due to clouds. You don't really get tree cover in this case, but if any clouds come over, it maintains the production from that solar panel. combination of a 9.3 kilowatt residential solar system, making another new solar homeowner. If you're interested in going solar, by all means, comment below, reach out to us on our website, CrewSWFLsolar.com, or on any of our social media pages. We can get you your solar options to help you run on sunshine. Now I want all of you to go forth and spread some sunshine.